안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Last time we have studied verb 을까요? Shall we? Right? And then the answer is always used verb 아요, 오요, 해요. The translation is changes to let's do something. Is it? This time we are going to study, it's called the irregular. Long time ago I taught you the irregular. It was quite difficult, is it? Complicated. But this time the irregular is not so complicated compared to the irregular. Can you see? We learned the tricky grammar rules called the irregular in chapter 7. Now we are going to talk about the irregular, which is 3 special words you need to remember. The irregular is easier than the irregular, but you might still forget it sometimes, so remember to review it regularly. Yes, like I said, compared to the irregular is more easier. So can you see? The verbs in the irregulars are 걷다 and 듣다. 걷다 means to walk, and then 듣다 means to listen. And when the final consonant d meets the vowel, it changes to l. So 걷다 듣다, there is one common thing. The supporting consonant is the d. So 걷다 듣다 conjugate with the verb 아요, 오요, or as어요, 오서요 past tense. The supporting consonant d is changes to l. So this makes pronunciation more easier. This is everything. 걷다, walk, 듣다, to listen. Please remember those 2 words belongs to the irregular. But there is one exception. So far, can you see? 받다 is an exception in irregular conjugation, means to receive. 받다, 아요, 오요, the vowel never change. You can say 받아요, it's not changed. So please remember 걷다 and 듣다. Let's see more detailed things. Can you see it in this graph? There is a 듣다, 걷다, and 받다. I told you 받다 is an exception. So 받다, check first. 받다, 아요, 오요, the vowel. as어요, 오서요, and then please do something. 으세요. You can see there are vowels, right? But 받아요 is never changed. So 받아요, 받았어요, and 받으세요. And go has no the vowel, so just 받고. But compared to the 받다, 듣다 to listen, 걷다 is to walk, 듣다 걷다 is a the irregular. When they are meeting the vowel, the supporting consonant the is to change to l. So example, 듣다 아요 오요 is a 들어요. 듣어요 sounds very difficult, so changes to 들어요. And then past tense, 들었어요 sounds weird, right? So 들었어요, more easier. And 들으세요 because of the vowel, so 들으세요. Same as 걷다 as well. 걷다, 걸어요, 걸었어요, 걸으세요, something like this. Well then, let's practice together. Can you see the first sentence? 어제 바다에서 파도 소리도 듣고 새 소리도 들었어요. In this sentence, subject is the 저는 is omitted. So, I, yesterday, 바다에서, 바다 means the sea, maybe beach or seaside. And 파도 소리도 듣고, the 파도 소리 is the sound of waves. And 새 소리도 들었어요. 새 소리 is the sound of birds. So, I yesterday at the beach, I listened, 듣다. I listened the sound of waves and I also listened the sound of birds. In chapter 6, I taught you noun도 is also, right? So there is a 파도 소리도 듣고 새 소리도 들었어요. You can say 파도 소리를 듣고 새 소리를 들었어요. This is okay. But if you want to emphasize, like also, Korean people used to say like this, right? Although this is weird to you, but you can say 파도 소리도 듣고 새 소리도 들었어요. Also good. So the whole translation is, yesterday I heard the sound of waves at the beach and also the chirping birds. And next sentence, 우리 내일 바다에서 걸을까요? 우리 and 을까요 is the shall we. You can translate. So 우리 is 우리, and then 내일, tomorrow, 바다에서, at the beach or seaside. 걸을까요? Original verb is the 걷다, right? So 다 is always out. 걷 and then vowel 을까요? Because of the there's is the vowel. So the supporting consonant the is changes to l. So that's why 걸을까요? 우리 내일 바다에서 걸을까요? The translation is shall we walk on the beach tomorrow? Like this. And next sentence. 저는 어제 K-pop 노래를 들었어요. CD를 받았어요. So 저는 subject I yesterday 어제 K-pop 노래를 들었어요. Original verb is the 듣다 and then past tense. at is the vowel. So that's why 들었어요. I listened to K-pop music yesterday and CD를 받았어요. CD is a CD. 받았어요 original verb is the 받다 and then 받다 is exception. It's not changed. So CD를 받았어요. 저는 어제 K-pop 노래를 들었어요. CD를 받았어요. The translation is I listened to K-pop songs yesterday and I received the CD like this. Everyone, how do you think about the irregular? It's more easier than irregular, right? Because the irregular, you just remember two vocabulary. 듣다 and then walk, 걷다. It's very important, right? And then very useful, the vocabulary. And then exception is the 받다. If you cannot remember, you can just ignore, it's okay. But 듣다 and then 걷다, please remember. Like I said, just watching YouTube is simple and easy, maybe. But please do yourself. Review is very important. If there is any question, please leave me a comment. We will see in the next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.